Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. In this video, I explain the difference between mieux and meilleur. If you don't know about that, go back to the video on the difference between bien and bon, because we're going to base this one on the previous one. In the video about bien and bon, you would use mieux where you used to use bien. So mieux is mainly used as an adverb of superiority to bien. So mieux is better, whereas bien was well. Mieux describes an action, that's why it's called an adverb, it qualifies an action, never changes spelling, and its main meaning is better. For instance, whereas we had elle chante bien, she sings well, we now have elle chante mieux, she sings better. Tu as bien mangé would becomes tu as mieux mangé, you ate better. C'est mieux qu'hier. Here you can't put bien in there because you're comparing. It's better than yesterday, so c'est mieux qu'hier. So let's suppose hier was bien, today's better, so c'est mieux. You would use meilleur in sentences where you use bon. Meilleur is an adjective of superiority to bon. It also means better. It describes a thing, a person, or a concept, and it changes spelling, the ending, with masculine, feminine, or more than one. For instance, whereas before we had c'est un bon restaurant, this time c'est un meilleur restaurant, or this is a better restaurant. On a eu une bonne idée, we had a good idea. On a eu une meilleure idée, we had a better idea. J'ai passé de bonnes vacances becomes j'ai passé de meilleures vacances. I had a better holiday. And ils sont bons élèves would be ils sont meilleurs élèves. They are better pupils. So you could say they're better pupils this year, for instance. Ils sont meilleurs élèves cette année. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook at the link below, the 12 Golden Rules of French, and you could also have a look at my course, Parler Français Level 1, and it's geared at people who want to learn conversational French the fastest possible way. So have a look and let me know what you think. Now these were the main meanings. Now let's have a look at the exceptions. You could also use mieux as an adjective to mean nicer. As in, il est mieux que son ancien copain. He's nicer than her ex-boyfriend. You see, you can't use meilleur here because I would say we're better at what? You could say, c'est un meilleur copain, he's a better boyfriend. That's fine, because better qualifies boyfriend. But here, if you put meilleur, there's nothing that it qualifies. Therefore, mieux is the word, il est mieux. Also, meilleur can be used as an adjective to mean better, as in, cette route est meilleure que l'autre when you compare two things. This road is better than the other. Or an adverb to mean better, nicer, or more pleasant. Ça sent meilleur ici que dehors. It smells nicer in here than outside. And when you use it as an adverb, it never changes. That's the good news. It doesn't change its spelling. Il fait meilleur maintenant. The weather is more pleasant now. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video to support me. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.